2025 Ford Puma. Is this the perfect urban escape vehicle? The 2025 Ford Puma isn't just a car. It's a statement. It whispers, I'm stylish, I'm practical, and I know how to have fun, all without shouting. In a world of increasingly bland SUVs, the Puma stands out with its playful design and surprisingly versatile nature. But is it the right car for you? City slicker with a wild side asterisk. The Puma is clearly designed for the urban jungle. Its compact size makes it a breeze to navigate crowded streets and squeeze into tight parking spots. But don't let its city-friendly dimensions fool you. This cat has claws. The responsive handling and peppy engines make even the most mundane commute feel a little bit more exciting. More than just a pretty face asterisk. Looks aren't everything, but the Puma's distinctive styling definitely turns heads. It's sporty, it's modern, and it has a certain youthful energy that's hard to resist. But underneath the attractive exterior lies a surprising amount of practicality. The clever Megabox in the trunk is a game changer, offering extra cargo space for everything from grocery runs to weekend adventures. Fuel efficiency that won't break the bank asterisk. Let's be real, nobody wants to spend a fortune on gas. The Puma's efficient engines, especially the mild hybrid versions, sip fuel like a hummingbird. This means more money in your pocket for the things that really matter, like that weekend getaway the Puma was practically built for. The emotional connection asterisk. Cars are more than just transportation. They're an extension of our personality. The Puma evokes a sense of fun and freedom. It's the kind of car that makes you smile every time you get behind the wheel. It's the car that makes you want to take the scenic route just because you can.